Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of it. And you can also hide notifications. For example, you can disable only sound from notifications, or you can disable sound and visuals from notifications. And that's all the settings for Do Not Disturb mode. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.